Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 20. When you go to battle against your enemies and see horses and chariots, a people who are greater than you, do not be afraid of them. For Yahuwah your Elohim, who lifted you from the land of Mitzrayim, is with you. And it will be, when you come near to the battle, that the priest will approach and speak to the people and say to them, Hear, O Yeshariel, you approach this day to battle against your enemies. Let not your hearts faint. Fear not, and do not tremble, neither be terrified because of them. For Yahuwah your Elohim is he who goes with you, to fight for you against your enemies, to save you. So too the officers will speak to the people, saying, Which man has built a new house, and has not dedicated it? Let him go and return to his house, lest he dies in the battle, and another man dedicates it. And which man has planted a vineyard, yet has not eaten of it? Let him go and return to his house, lest he die in the battle, and another man eats it. Also, which man is betrothed to a wife, and has not taken her? Let him go and return to his house, lest he die in the battle, and another man takes her. Furthermore, the officers will speak more to the people, and they will say, Which man is fearful and faint-hearted? Let him go and return to his house, lest his brother's heart faints like his heart. And it will be, when the officers have made an end of speaking to the people, that they will make captains of the armies to lead the people. When you come near to a city to fight against it, then proclaim peace to it. And it will be, if peace is the response, and they open to you, then it will be that all the people found in it will be tributaries to you. Thus they will serve you. However, if it will not make peace with you, but will make war against you, then you will besiege it. And when Yahuwah your Elohim has delivered it into your hands, you will smite all of its males with the edge of the sword. But the women and the little ones, and the cattle, and all that is in the city, all of its spoil, you will take unto yourself. Therefore you will consume the spoil of your enemies, which Yahuwah your Elohim has given you. Thus you will do to all the cities that are very far from you, which are not the cities of these nations. But the people of these nations, which Yahuwah your Elohim gives you, the inheritance, you will save nothing alive that breathes. Therefore you will completely destroy them, the Hittite, and the Amori, the Canaani, and the Perizi, and the Hiwi, and the Yebusi, as Yahuwah your Elohim has commanded you, so that they do not teach you to follow after all of their abominations, which they have done for their deities, whereby you sin against Yahuwah your Elohim. When you besiege a city for a long time, while warring against it, to capture it, you will not destroy its trees by wielding an axe against them, because you can eat from them. Therefore, you will not cut them down. For is a tree of the field a man that can go into a fortress from your presence? Only the trees that you know are not trees for food you will destroy and cut them down, and you will build blockades against the city that makes war with you until it is subdued.